Digital Mentor here. Today, I want to teach you how you can make $1,000 per month listening to audio files online. So, guys, this is going to be a really easy video. I've done a couple videos similar, but not the same. Um, this is going to have some worldwide methods. This is going to be something that is really easy. It's going to take absolutely no experience necessary, but you are going to need a computer with a keyboard. This is not something that I really recommend that you try on a smartphone or a tablet of any sort. I really recommend that you have a keyboard, a microphone, and headphones so that you can actually hear the audio files. Sometimes you'll be doing video files or audio files and you're going to be turning it into text. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know if there's anything that you really want to see on this channel. If there's something you're interested in but can't figure it out, shoot me a message in the comments. I'm really good about getting back to you as quick as possible. Plus, I love hearing back from you guys. So just let me know down there. Also, I know a lot of you people are viewing these videos and haven't subscribed yet. Please make sure to just hit the subscribe button. Do yourself a favor so you don't got to keep looking me up. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications for videos that I'm uploading. I'm shooting for, bear with me, 5 videos a week, which is a little bit crazy with 3 kids in the house, 2 cats and a dog and my husband. So bear with me. Sometimes it'll be 4, sometimes it'll be 3, but I've been really diligent about getting 5 up per week. So make sure to hit that button so you can get notifications. If you're really ready to take action today, if you're tired of your boss, tired of getting up for work, and you really want to have a full-time income online, check out my first link in the description below. It's really going to open up your eyes and let you know that it is possible to make a full-time income online. It's my #1 recommendation. Definitely check the link in the description below. I think you're going to be super happy with the results once you've checked it out and you've followed through with it. So getting into this video right now, guys, we are going to be looking at 4 sites. The first one that I'm going to take you over to is Upwork.com. Now, with this, you're going to be a freelancer, and on all these sites, you're going to be a freelancer, which is someone that's offering services as themselves. You're not going to be, saying, I work for this company. You're going to be yourself working and being able to collect some money. Obviously, these sites are going to collect a little bit of a commission off each job you do, but freelancing is definitely the way to go if you are good at some things. Now, it isn't going to be a hard method of making money online. You're literally going to be listening to audio files and then translating them and transcripting them into text. Now, there's a huge demand for this right now. We have YouTubers that are pushing out all their videos and their content, and they want to be able to turn it into, say, like a blog or something of that nature. Or there's podcasts and they want to turn their podcast into a blog or anything like that. They're going to be looking for someone to be a transcriptionist for them, and that's where you guys come in. So what you're going to do is you're going to get yourself signed up, and you are going to sign up as a freelancer. Now, I just want to give you a quick idea of what the freelancers are making for transcription here on Upwork. So let's just go there really quick. Sorry, my internet sucks today, guys. Bear with me. So Kara J is making $20 an hour. Now, if she worked for a few hours a day, she can make $100 a day doing transcription work. And if you average that out and you work a couple hours a day, every single day of the month, you can earn some really crazy money from home listening to audio and turning it into text. So like I said, guys, I highly recommend Upwork. I think it's one of the better paying ones because you get to set your rate of pay. But if you aren't getting enough jobs on Upwork and your profile's not getting enough hits, you're going to have to promote yourself and you're going to get a rating, you're going to get a satisfaction score. There's another couple sites that I'd suggest you take a look at, and one of those being Fiverr. Now, I know I've talked about Fiverr a lot, guys. I love Fiverr. I really do. I love Fiverr. I use it all the time. As you can see, I've just recently viewed a whole boatload of stuff. But for today's video purposes, we're going to tighten leave the cat alone. Sorry guys, I told you it's a little crazy at my house. So we're going to take a look at some of the transcriptionists and see the money that they're making. So what you're going to do is you're going to make yourself an account, you're going to make yourself a profile, and you're going to need to promote yourself because this is a self-promoting site. Jobs aren't just going to fall into your lap. You kind of got to look for them. You got to get yourself a satisfaction score and things of that nature. So now the growing rate is starting at $5, which I know you're like, okay, $5, how am I supposed to make $1,000 per month making $5? Well, let's just take a look see, a lot of them are 5, some of them are 30, some of them are 10. But you have to understand, this is for the basic pay. This is only for like 10 minutes of transcription. I'll show you. So we'll take a look over here. And so the basic package is for 20 minutes of transcription. Now, if you look over at the premium package, we're talking about $60 per 60 minutes, which is a lot of money. If you can do this a couple hours, get a couple hours of jobs per day. If you even get like 2 jobs per day, for an hour each, you're going to be getting a lot of money. Now, another thing that I want to draw your attention down to is there are extra add-ons, which are going to cost their buyers a little bit of money. So keep that in mind. If you increase the minutes, say there's like a three hour, it's going to be $1 per minute, which is bonkers to me. You can earn $350 for 10 minutes of audio and video with professional formatting with 8 hours delivery time. So if you can do this really quick, you're going to be able to make a lot of money off of these people, being your own freelancer, working from home, and doing your work online. So take a look at Fiverr.com. Another site that I want you to take a look at is TranscribeMe. So TranscribeMe pays about $20 per audio file. The only catch is you need to pass an accuracy exam. And once you have passed your accuracy exam, you're going to get paid weekly through PayPal. So if you have not done so already, I can't stress this enough in every video that I make yourself a PayPal. You only need an email. It's super duper easy. So you're going to click on Join as Transcriptionist. Like I said, guys, my internet's been really sucking today, so I'm not sure what is going on. There we go. So we're just going to take a quick look at this. They're recommended by a bunch of people. Now, the one thing that I like about this site and the next site is they're just going to give you jobs. You do not need to self-promote on these sites. They're actually just going to give you jobs, which makes it a lot easier. You're going to have a lot of freedom. You're going to have flexibility. And their program is right here, as you can take a look at it. They're going to give you some informative training, and all you literally do is listen to these files and type what you're hearing. It's really easy. Now, guys, if you've stayed this long through the video, thank you. You're going to be thanking me later because I'm going to show you a quick hack that's going to make it really easy for you guys to bang out all these transcriptions really super duper quick. And it's going to be right after this last website that I showed you. Now, Rev.com is really, really a wonderful site. I really like Rev.com. I highly recommend it. But when you get on Rev.com, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. None of this junk is for us for this video today. And you are going to sign yourself up to be a transcriptionist. All right. You're going to click on Become a Freelancer. And it literally is such a quick and easy application. You're going to get paid weekly via PayPal. So Rev.com is a really great site. Definitely check it out. I believe they said they pay about $1 a minute for their transcriptions. So it's going to be roughly about the same as I believe what people are charging on Fiverr. So you're going to make about the same for every single site. I'm just telling you a bunch of them because you're not always going to have jobs on Upwork or Fiverr or the other couple sites that I've shown you. So you're going to want to have your options open, especially if this is something that you want to do full time. When you first get started, I don't think this is a quit your job method of making money online. It could be, who knows, everything, success is different for everybody, but it's definitely going to bring you a few dollars from making money online. So guys, you guys are the lucky ones that stayed for my entire video. So you're probably asking me, all right, what's your crazy little hack? It's going to make it really easy for me to make money online quick. Well, it is Google Docs. I love Google Docs. My fingers don't work as quick as my brain, so a lot of times I like to speak my text in and have it written out for me. So literally you are going to go to Google Docs, you're going to find it, you're going to hit personal, you're going to hit a blank page, and you will come to something that looks like this. Now, once you get here, you are going to want to hit tools, and you're also going to want to hit voice typing. Now, what this does is it listens to everything you say and it will write it out for you. Now you have to be a little bit careful. You're going to have some grammatical errors and periods and things of that you're going to have to throw in. Sometimes it doesn't always hear the word exactly as it's spoken. So just be aware of that. But it really gets the text on paper a lot quicker than if you're like me and your fingers don't work as quick as your brain. I don't suggest that you talk like I do. I talk extremely fast. So you're going to have to talk very clear, be very precise with your pronunciation of words. So you throw your headphones in, you get your microphone, especially like Apple headphones, they have great microphone. You plug everything in and you just listen to your audio and video files and speak exactly what you're hearing. And poof, that's the quick hack. It types it out in milliseconds. So you really can't beat that. There's no quicker way that you're going to be able to do that. So once you do it, you just click over here, you hit the little microphone thingy, and poof, just start speaking, and the words will just magically appear on the paper. Now, guys, it's as easy as that. That's how you can make $1,000 per month listening to audio files online. It's a really easy way. You need no experience. You need supplies that most people already have in this day and age. And that's it, guys. It's a worldwide method of making money, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell icon for notifications for when I upload future videos. Like I said, guys, if you're ready to take the leap, you're ready to get in control, be in control of your life and your work schedule, definitely check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's the first link in the description below. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.